One of the hotels on the island within the last 6 months has garnered a significant amount of international recognition and earning prestigious awards. Bucuti in Tata Beach Resort has been inducted, so to speak, in the TripAdvisor Hall of Fame 2015, and there's much more. The management of the property credits the recent success to the heart and soul of the hotel, its staff members. Bucuti in Tata Beach Resort has been tremendously awarded and recognized already, but they can add a few more titles to the shelf. In a 6-month time period, Bucuti in Tata Beach Resort has earned the #1 spot in the Caribbean, also earned TripAdvisor Green Hotelier of the Year, the 2014 Caribbean Travel Award, top satisfaction score awards from Booking.com, Hotels.com, and Orbitz. More importantly, for the 5th year in a row, TripAdvisor has inducted them in the Hall of Fame for 2015. The owner and managing director of the property credits the recent success to his staff.
I can only say thank you to my people. It is them that actually get these awards or make them happen. We as management could never do it without the support of our rank and file, and I'm really grateful to my people.
Besides for the employees, there's also the matter of reinvesting back into the hotel. But at the end of the day, Mr. Beeman says, it is the work of the associates and the intimate interaction with the customers that creates the success.
In addition to, of course, to the top service that they're rendering, we, of course, are on one of the finest beaches in the world. We maintain our hotel in top shape. We invest whatever we can and whenever we need to. And we constantly work on improving our service with new ways of doing it. And so in general, it is an overall product, but it is the people that really clinch it, that make it happen. It's my people that work for me, and I'm extremely grateful to them.
Having a team of dedicated staff does not happen overnight. The managing director of the property says there are 2 key aspects to having a dependable and productive staff.
I think it's a combination of things. Training, of course, is very important. I think it's leading by example. We practice a very visible form of management. My manager, myself, and her 2 assistants, we meet with every customer. From arrival to departure, we make sure that they're absolutely taken care of. Or staff supports us to the maximum. They are also, it's actually the staff imitates management in many ways. If management is friendly and outgoing, the staff is outgoing and friendly, and so it transmits down through the rank and file.
A big congratulations goes out to Bucuti and Tata Beach Resort and along with all their staff members.